it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been? Where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just
She ain't even looking at that.
Is this thing hot or something?
Yeah.
Do something. Tell me what I said. Make sure we take care of him. So I told you the man ain't take care of y'all.
That's what I'm saying. I had turned it off, but it's still hot. I still need that. That's why I'm bringing it. We heading out, y'all. We heading out.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? We at the airport. We at the airport. We at the airport.
I was gonna buy a ring light, but I'm like, damn, we about to go to Vegas. You see how many fucking lights, you know? So I feel like it wasn't no point. So I put this shit back. You gonna take my picture? Bet. Hell, there ain't no point in bringing this.
Hey, put that in the trunk, Tony.
They're gonna do it. Let's see, heavy as shit. Like shit is like 30 liters of pack.
Me and Tony got a piss.
So we gonna be taller as hell. I don't even think I can brush my breath.
You can. This is what this right here for. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm big sharky. I get dirty.
Can I take the plane? They got to get their shit together ASAP.
That's what you
Wait, what the fuck was I supposed to go to? Arrives or departure? Oh shit, wait them Kyla. Yo! I think it's departure.
Yeah, don't listen to her music. So.
Huh?
Oh.
Make sure y'all tune into the vlog for Vegas. This smells piss. Really though, it's 2 lines though. Yeah. Get back here. Where you going? Yeah, wait till Kyla come in. I don't fucking know. Bye, Tony. do gotta do that. Hold on, y'all. Tony pissy ass went to the bathroom. We have waited because Colin Daquan ain't even in the freaking airport yet. You. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I just had to throw my damn hair products in the garbage because my hair products was too big to be getting on the plane. Then I was willing to pay to get them put on the plane, but you gotta buy a suitcase. It's just too much. And now the damn man that took my damn hair products, the motherfucker wasn't down there when I just checked out. Where the hell we going? Gatefold. Bro, I'm bored. Really though. Is it alright? We ain't gonna be fucked up. No pictures for y'all. Girl, I should have put that shit in my shoe. He got the snooping around in my goddamn duffel bag. Should have told that little squirrel gonna pop out on his ass. Hell, I should have did.
Where's my pants?
I can't believe this shit. Don't need no damn outlet. Don't do that. I don't get paid when you do that shit. Don't do that. Don't fuck up my check. Tell him. Throwing down GD in my damn YouTube. Bro, I can't believe this. Where the damn bathroom? It ain't a bathroom up here?
It's down there.
Yo. They're gonna make his ass, sir. You have to board the plane. Right. Do you think so? Okay, we in the air, but look at that shit. It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. You know, they can at least go like this. We got Big Tone by the window.
What's up, y'all? We out here.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Nah, we officially just landed.
Just landed. She don't even want to say nothing on her own
It's
channel.
currently 12:05.
Yes, sir. We finna hit the
Next
streets.
time.
We finna hit the
Colin on a vlog.
and we finna. They wanna tweak it. Man, as y'all can see, that we are here. Yes, sir. We are just yes, sir. Make sure y'all go add me on Snapchat. Make sure y'all go add me on everything. Make sure you got it.
Nope.
No, we go ahead, y'all.
So we probably getting off the plane. What's the hold up?
This how the celebrities be when they be on the plane.
Fresh off the plane. Slam.
I can't believe I got on the plane. I said I would never get on the goddamn plane. Girl, my damn auntie sleep. If I was fucking thinking, but then I would have sent her off anyways, cause our damn flight got delayed. Really though, can you pick us up? It's a little casino right here. I wouldn't even call this a casino though. Like a little vending machine. You can play games.
so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone?